you doing? Or should I say salam alaikum? Officially, we are now in the Kingdom of Bahrain. So we've moved in, we've got a fantastic house. We're just living in this great place. Just getting it sorted out now. It's going to be great. The kitchen's nearly done. The new how to cook great kitchen's nearly done. Yeah, looking forward to it. It's been a bit stressful, but you know, we're feeling fantastic. We're all here and we're super happy. What I'm going to be doing is once we get the kitchen back on the go, be getting obviously some cooking done, and then I'll be doing like a weekly or fortnightly blog. So, you know, of just like how we're getting on here, life in Bahrain, and you know, some great restaurants and some other food and some other bits and pieces, just like a little sort of vloggy blog thing. In the meantime, we'll see you later. Masalama. All right, so here's the new little kitchen. Fridge is there. We're getting it together. Still unpacking a few bits and pieces, but yeah, we're getting there. Got some spices happening. The old faithful cookers there. Camera, water pistols. I don't know what they're doing there. Probably belong to the kids, obviously. But yeah, we're getting there. So be firing on all cylinders pretty soon. Yeah, just got my little new barbecue in. Brand new. I'll be doing some lovely stuff on that, I hope. Yeah, a beauty. Won't stay new for long, will it? Fantastic. Say hi, Maya.
Hi.
Okay, so where is Bahrain? Okay, so Bahrain is a Gulf state, part of the GCC. Dubai is a 1 hour flight away. Abu Dhabi a 1 hour flight away. Doha in Qatar is like a half an hour flight away. Saudi Arabia is connected via a bridge. It's like 25-30 kilometers long. That's so, yeah, it's like an hour drive or half an hour drive away. We're quite near the bridge actually. So yeah, you can kind of get where we are. So India is like 4 hours away, like, you know, sort of Mumbai or something. In the other direction, we've got Ethiopia, which is about 4 hours away, which is great for us because obviously we get over to Ethiopia quite a lot. So we're much nearer to it now. That's it. So that's kind of where the Kingdom of Bahrain. It's a little tiny island. Population's only about 1.5–2 million people. That's it. Yeah, so that is where the Kingdom of Bahrain is. Have some palm trees.